Hello everyone, I am Keval. I am currently studying in third semester in ICT department at Marwadi University, Rajkot. In this video, we are going to talk about satellite communication and we will be focusing on the space segment of satellite communication. This topic was included in our subject Introduction to Communication Engineering. This whole thing was guided by our HOD, Professor C.D. Parmasar. So, in space segment, the space segment is a crucial aspect of satellite communication systems other than the control and user segment. It is designed to receive, store, and retransmit the radio signals forwarded by the control segment. It also comprises the ground based units maintaining the operationality of satellites orbiting the Earth. From this animated picture here, you can visualize how a satellite behaves in the space. Moving on, the satellite orbiting in space forms a major unit of space segment. However, the equipment which carries the satellite into space is classified according to their respective functions. The payload and the bus are two necessary equipment associated with the satellite. As you can see, this is the payload and this is the bus comprising of the two necessary equipment. Now let us talk about the elements of space segment. First one being the power supply. The primary source of power used by the electronically operating equipment in space is solar cells. However, batteries are also incorporated in such systems that offer standby power in case of unavailability of solar energy. In the case of solar cells, a single solar cell cannot power the whole satellite. So, in order to power the whole satellite, the solar cell is arranged in a matrix order of in series and parallel. Second, the altitude control. It corresponds to controlling the orientation of satellite orbiting Earth. The crucial part of the satellite system being the altitude control is designing and maintenance, because altitude controlling enables the satellite's antenna to accurately point over the specific region on the ground. As you can see in the block diagram, it shows how the sensors, actuators, satellite dynamics, and the control strategy works. Third one being the station keeping. It helps in maintaining proper orbital position and is quite necessary, similar to altitude control. This is the technique that deals with the issue of orbital drift. Satellite in geostationary orbit shows drift in latitude, generally because of the gravitation pull of the sun and the moon. This image shows the same. Fourth one being the tracking, telemetry, and the command subsystem. It is designed to perform various routine functions for the satellite in space. TTNC system holds the authority of producing electrical signals in proportion to the quantity required to be measured, encoding it and further transmitting it to the desired Earth-based station. So in the picture here we can see awaiting contact, then the pre-pass, then the actual pass, and the post-pass. Okay, so connection matters here. First one being the awaiting connection, second one being the connection which happens to be very good, then happens to be the actual connection, then the connection actually loses slowly and closes. Fourth one being the thermal control. The satellites orbiting the Earth suffer great temperature variations, and there are various reasons for this. The temperature of the satellite varies because of radiations coming from the sun, thermal radiations from the Earth, and many other factors. For proper operation, the temperature must be maintained within the limits Otherwise, anything could go wrong and the desired output cannot be maintained. This image shows the thermal radiator and basically the thermal control stuff. So the last one being the transponders. It corresponds to a channel formed of serially connected units between transmit and receive antennas. Not a single equipment, rather it's a combination of equipment forming a channel. The requirement of the channel is the basis of transmission operation because the signal needed to be propagated between the two ends is sent through the channel. We can see the block diagram of the transponder here. So this was all about the space segment of the satellite communication. I hope you understood about this topic in this video. Now moving on to the technical part, I was sure about the topic as it was freshly taught. It was not that hard to learn the concept and to deliver it. And in the non-technical part, yes, I learned the stuff from PDF and all. So thank you.